Give thanks. Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He maketh me to lie down in green pastures. He restoreth my soul. He leadeth me beside the still water. Yea, though I walk through the valley of shadow of death, I fear no evil, because I know Sir John with me all the time. Well, I look around in my community. I look for standard, because Jah loves standard. And people so turn away from Jah, calling themselves dog, which is Goliath style. Goliath said, "We will destroy David in the name of dog style." And David said, "I will destroy in the name of the Almighty God." So which way you travel on? You travel on the dog style, or you travel on the David style? If you travel on the David style, it's the right road to travel to eternal life. When you look back again, upon the rich man and the poor man Lazarus, yeah? Well, all the time he at the man gate, waiting for the crumbs to drop off of the man table. Waiting for the crumbs off of the rich man, and full of fussy. Yeah. No one look on him. Yeah? When they're down, no man pay attention. But when you're rich and powerful, yeah. Oh, you have a lot of friends. Yeah. But they show you the meek way. When you travel in the meek way. Because we know nothing of this world belongs to no man. Everything belongs to Jah. So you have to walk in Jah. Yeah? When we start from Africa, we were living thatch house. Yeah? Till Zinc come along. And with the rich man and famous man could have lived in a single, or you could have clicked single. And so man travel along, reach deck house. And when man reach deck house, the man get corrupt more. The more vanity a man achieve in his life, the more he get corrupt. And one thing I know with all the nations, the black man don't like share. He like the house full of money and he like enough car. And the next black man dead for hungry over there, so he don't like share. And so history reveal we are black man want here Jamaica. And he try every way to get here Jamaica. And if that captain, yeah, has a heart attack and dead, he couldn't believe saying he get here Jamaica. And then send you out to Trinidad. Yeah. So we stand as a black man. And when I look back as a black man, one hotel can feed enough pitney at school daily. Daily. And that goes in a garbage van. A black man can't carry out a chicken leg. He can eat till his belly full. But he can't carry out none come give him family them. So we are the black man's here. Where is the black man's here in this history? When I look around again, who set up the calling center? Is the black man or the white man set up the calling center? Is the white man set up the calling center, you know? And the black man see the way and try it see and way. Call people say they got bill and this and that and get the money. But then don't want to see the black man around the table. Because the black man don't share, he don't like share. And that is the problem and it causes killing and all kind of sitting. And that's why Babylon now let go the black man. So we must get wise up by learning Bob Marley teachment. When you learning Bob Marley teachment, and bow down to the Almighty, because Bob Marley inspired black man to talk, to see the way out. But they never give him the recognition till the man dead. Because if he give him before, black man would not get too wise. Because look how black man get wise. Till they don't want to work again. Everybody turn dog. Like the rich man. Because the American man say my dog, you know. Can't do anything, he lick the same thing and he do anything. Because he's my dog. And so the black man now follow him history. Knowing that he come from Africa. And knowing that he is the first nation. And everybody come through him. So the black man going like in a fool. The other nation all the while thief of him with wisdom. Because he always want to sell out the black man at all times. Check it out and check history. Black man always sell out black man at all times. Walk with God, you never fail. This is my word. Through the Almighty, to the powerhouse. Move on. Give thanks for the word through God. Amen. Yeah, this is my word, my brother.